Have you injured your ankle while playing a sport? I have. I've been playing volleyball since I was just 8 years old, and when I was about 14 years old, I hurt my ankle during practice. It got super swollen and it bruised really bad, and I couldn't really walk on it. So I decided to go to the doctor, and of course, I found out that it was fractured, so then I had to go to physical therapy, but it really helped me recover fast. Today, I will be telling you a little bit about some prevention, treatments, and rehabilitation when getting an ankle injury while playing a sport. First, I'll be telling you about a few ways to prevent ankle injuries. The first way is to strengthen your ankle. According to David Alschek and others in their book Foot and Ankle Sports Medicine of 2013, quote, these preventative protocols often include balance and proprioception, range of motion, strengthening, and functional exercises, unquote. A second way to prevent ankle injuries are to adjust the balance on like a board. It really improves ankle stability and it also will strengthen your ankle. A third way to prevent an ankle injury is to tape your ankle or wear a brace before participating in a sport or any physical activity. Next, I will be telling you about a few treatments to heal an ankle injury. The first treatment is ice. According to Jennifer Bam in her book Sports Injuries from 2009, quote, ice is most helpful for the acute injury. Cold causes blood vessels to constrict and minimizes local swelling and bleeding into the tissues, unquote. A second way to heal an ankle injury would just be to raise your ankle above your heart, and this will help to reduce the swelling. A third way to heal your ankle injury is to just wrap your ankle and keep it really compressed, or you could also wear a splint. This will also reduce the swelling and just help you recover faster. Thirdly, I will be telling you a little bit about some rehabilitation options. The first option is to do some range of motion exercises. This just improves the movement of your ankle joint. A second option is to do ankle strengthening exercises. There's so many different exercises that you can do. A couple are single leg swings, single leg drive to toes, star hops, or any kind of balancing. All of that will strengthen your ankle and help prevent ankle injuries and help rehabilitate your ankle. A third option is to go to physical therapy. According to Lars Peterson and others in their book Sports Injuries, Prevention, Treatment, and Rehabilitation, 4th edition, from 2017, quote, the physical therapist's instructions are of the utmost importance in ensuring that the correct muscle groups are trained with the appropriate movements and with a well-balanced load, unquote. Finally, I told you about some ways to prevent, treat, and rehabilitate an injured ankle. The best way to prevent an ankle injury is just as simple as strengthening your ankle. It is really important to have strong ankles when doing any kind of physical activity or participating in a sport. It'll just help you prevent getting any injury, and it'll just help you be better at whatever activity you're doing as well. The best way to treat an ankle injury is ice. It seems really simple, but even if you are feeling sore or if your ankle is just hurting, ice will be your best friend. It'll help reduce swelling and just keep everything from becoming injured. And the best way to rehabilitate your ankle is to go to physical therapy. Physical therapists are very well trained, and their whole job is to help you recover faster, so they know exactly what to do when you have an injury, and it's just the smartest idea if you have an injury. It is smart to know how to handle an ankle injury, especially being involved in a competitive sport where injuries are common.